In today's video, we are going to cover how to void an invoice in Clio Manage. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main dashboard, look for the billing section in the navigation and click it to open your billing tools. This is where you can access the records related to invoices and bills, including the invoice you want to change. From there, open the bills or invoices list depending on how your account displays that section. You will see a list of existing records. Find the invoice you want to void and select it to open the full invoice details. If you work with several invoices that look similar, take a moment here to choose carefully so you do not make changes to the wrong record. With the invoice open, review it before making any update. Look through the details shown on the invoice page and confirm that it is the correct invoice to void. This is the point where you want to verify that the matter, amount, date, and status match the record you intend to change. Once the invoice is voided, the status will update, so it is worth confirming everything now before moving forward. After you have confirmed the invoice, move to the Invoice Action Controls. On the Invoice page, click the More Actions menu, or the Actions menu if that is what appears in your version of Clio Manage. This menu contains additional options for the invoice you are viewing. When the menu opens, look through the available actions and select Void Invoice. As soon as you choose that option, Clio Manage will prompt you to confirm the action. Read the confirmation message, then confirm that you want to void the invoice. This extra prompt is there to help prevent accidental changes, so make sure you are still on the correct invoice before you proceed. Once the confirmation is accepted, the invoice record will update. Stay on the invoice page and check the status field or status label shown with the invoice details. You want to verify that the invoice status has changed to void it. If that updated status is visible, then the action has been completed successfully. If you are reviewing the invoice from the list again afterward, you should also see that same voided status reflected there, which helps confirm that the change has been applied to the right record. The key part is that the invoice no longer shows its previous status and now appears as voided in Clio Manage. The invoice status in Clio Manage has now been changed to voided.